Hi friends, let me show you this new portable pet carrier that I received for reviewing purposes. Choco wants to go in already. It is great for bringing your pets with you. It is intended primarily for a motorcycle, but as you will see, you could use it to bring your pets anywhere, okay? In the plane, in your car, of course, in a motorcycle. Let me show you first. It is a big unit. It brings some accessories like food or water tray for your needs on the go. It has a soft cushion for the bottom of the crate. It has a rain cover if for any reason you are traveling in a windy or rainy place, you could cover it with this. And you get all the straps that you need to fix it to your motorcycle safely so your pet will be comfortable riding on it, okay? All the straps come in these accessories carrying bag. And finally, it has a soft bottom. If you don't want to use the cushion, it is a soft cushion here, okay? Let me show you now what options, ventilation options you have. You could open the top of the crate and you have a mesh here that you could even open to let your dog face head go out, or you could close it to have it ventilated, okay? You can roll this on and have these Velcro strips closing it, okay? Well, you have here you can put your pet's name and information if you are traveling, okay? You can keep valuables here like your pet's vaccination card or whatever documents you need to bring with your pet. You have more options here to fix it to your car or your motorcycle or your RV. You have more ventilation options here. Here. On this side, you have more ventilation. Okay, you could even put a leash to here. And you could also open this part to have your pet going in and out. If, for example, you are in a hotel room and you are using the crate as your dog's bed. Okay, so, well, it is a very functional crate with a lot of options to bring your pets. Let's try it with one of mine. Here we have it. Choco. Choco, aquí te puedes asomar. Okay. Okay, we're ready. So you can bring it with you like this or use the shoulders. Let me show you the rain cover that you could use. Okay, so your pet is protected from rain or snow or whatever. Okay. You could use the cushion as I told you. And you have this shoulder strap that you can use, okay? Perfect. You can bring it with you. You can walk with it really easily. And when you arrive to your destination, well, you just open the door and your pet will be going out easily. Milo. There, you see, you can use it as a regular dog home or dog bed. Okay? So if you travel a lot, if you like to bring with you your small pets, cat or small dogs, this crate is a great option to you can even leash your dog inside. You have a leash loop here, and you could leash your dog with it, so they can go far away. Okay, so you have plenty of possibilities on how to put your dog inside, have it comfortably traveling, and bringing it with you in your motorcycle, in your car, in your RV, any kind of transportation that you want to use. Thank you.